Hello everybody, just going through the answers to the practice test. Hopefully it's straightforward enough. For question 1, both of these values are radii, which is a plural of radius. So you actually need to multiply that by 2 to get your diameter. Remember that radius is only halfway along a circle. Okay? Radius is only half. Radius is half, diameter is all the way. So you actually have to multiply those numbers by 2 to get the correct answers. For question 2, it's the other way around. They are diameters like this one, from one side of the circle all the way to the other through the middle, and then you need to half it to get your radius answers. Question 3, find the perimeter of a semicircle that has a diameter of 20 meters. For all semicircles, you need to do pi times r plus d. The reason it is pi times r is because normally for a full circle, it would be 2 pi r. Okay, so that would be 2 pi r. But because you're only doing that top curved part, it's going to be half of 2 pi r, which is just going to be 1 pi r, which is just pi r. So that will do the pi r part. And then the line down the bottom is the diameter. That's why you have to add diameter as well. So pi times the radius. With a diameter of 10, you need to divide it by 2 to get the radius. Pi times 10, and then add your diameter of 20 from one side to the other. And for the next question, you're doing exactly the same thing, except you've already got given your radius. So you don't have to halve a number to get the radius. You already have your radius, but you will have to double it at the end to get your diameter. I double my radius to get my diameter, just like we had learned earlier. You have to double your radius to get your diameter. Okay, following fractions of a circle should be fairly easy. If you just draw a cake, cut it in 2, colour one part, that will do. Same for this, colour 1 out of 4. Same for this, colour 3 out of 4. Should be able to cut the circle easily into 4. Just have a horizontal line and then a vertical line, or the other way around. Should be easy enough. For question 6, find circumference of a circle that has a radius of 3 meters. The circumference formula is 2 times pi times r. So 2 times pi, it's got a radius of 3, it's just 2 times pi times 3. And for the next one, exactly the same thing, except it's got a radius of 5.5, so 2 times pi times 5.5. And that gets your answer. Find the area of this shape. Now, the area of a circle is pi times r squared, okay? That will get the area of a circle. The thing is, though, this is only a quarter of a circle. So you just need to get a quarter of the area. So pi r squared divided by 4 gets you your answer. And similarly, for the second one over here, number 8, the area of a semicircle will be pi r squared divided by 2, because it is half a circle. There's our circle, and there's half of it. Semicircle perimeter we have already looked at earlier. Pi r plus d. Pi times your radius, so half of 12 will give you 6, plus your diameter. And for this final question, despite it looking a little bit tricky, it's not so bad. Those blue lines, one there and one here, them two make a circle. These two also make a circle. So you've really got 2 circles. So the perimeter will be 2 circles. So normally it's 2 pi r for the circumference of a circle, but you've got 2 circles. So it's 2 times 2 pi r, 4 times pi times r. The radius of that circle will be 7, because the diameter is 14, so half of 14 is 7. Multiply them out and you get your answer. For the area, there's 2 parts. There's two circles, because this one and this one make a circle, and this one and this one make a circle. So two circles, so pi r squared times 2, get you your area of two circles. And of course, for a square, it's just one side times the other. So I've called that L for length, squared, length times length, 14 times 14. 2 times pi times your radius squared, get you your area of your two circles, add that to your area of your square, and there's your answer. And that's it. That's the whole test. Please let me know if you've got any questions.